Hey, Lisa, are you busy?
Not really. What's up? You sound different today.
Yeah, I don't know. I just feel lonely.
Oh, what happened?
Nothing special happened. That's the strange part. I went to work, came home, ate dinner, watched videos, and suddenly I just felt empty.
Hmm. I think many people feel that way sometimes.
Really?
Of course, even people who smile all the time can feel lonely.
That makes me feel a little better.
Good. So, do you want to talk about it?
Yeah. Lately, I feel like everyone is busy with their own lives. My friends rarely text me first anymore.
Ah, adulthood.
Yeah, adult life is weird. When we were younger, we talked every day. Now everybody disappears.
True. Back then, we could spend hours talking about silly things.
Exactly. Remember when we argued about whether cereal is soup?
Hey, I still think cereal is soup.
No, it's not.
It has liquid and stuff floating inside. That sounds like soup to me.
You are impossible.
See, you're laughing already.
Yeah, thanks.
Loneliness doesn't always mean you have no people around you. Sometimes it just means you miss connection.
Connection.
Yeah, real conversations, feeling understood, feeling noticed.
That's exactly it. Sometimes I scroll through social media and everybody looks happy. They travel, hang out with friends, take selfies. Meanwhile, I'm sitting alone eating instant noodles at midnight.
Wow, very dramatic.
Hey, it's true.
Instant noodles at midnight? That's the real problem here.
Maybe.
Honestly, social media can make loneliness worse.
Yeah, I compare my life to other people too much.
And remember, people usually post their best moments, not their lonely moments.
That's true. Nobody uploads a picture saying, "Hey guys, I cried while folding laundry today."
Exactly.
Actually, I almost cried yesterday.
Oh,
I came home and the apartment was so quiet. No music, no conversation, nothing.
that silence can feel heavy sometimes.
Yeah, I even turned on the TV just to hear voices in the background.
A lot of people do that, actually.
Really?
Yep, humans don't like feeling alone for too long.
Sometimes I wonder if something's wrong with me.
No, feeling lonely is human.
But I thought adults were supposed to be independent and strong.
Strong people get lonely too.
Hmm,
And being independent doesn't mean you never need people.
I never thought about it that way.
You know what I think?
What?
I think you've been isolating yourself lately.
Maybe. After work, I usually just stay home.
Do you still play basketball with your old friends?
No, I stopped going months ago.
Why?
I don't know. I guess I felt tired, then I got used to being alone.
Sometimes loneliness grows quietly, little by little.
Wow, that sounds deep.
I am a philosopher now.
Since when?
Since 5 seconds ago.
You're ridiculous.
Thank you.
But honestly, maybe you're right. I stopped replying to messages quickly, too.
See? Friendships need effort.
Yeah, I guess I expected people to always come to me first.
Sometimes you have to reach out too.
That's hard when you already feel lonely.
I know, but small steps help.
Like what?
Text someone first. Go outside more. Join activities. Talk to people. And maybe stop eating instant noodles alone at midnight.
You really hate my noodles.
Very much.
You know something funny?
What?
I almost didn't call you today.
Why not?
I thought maybe I was bothering you.
You are my best friend. You can call me anytime.
Thanks.
And honestly, I'm glad you called.
Really?
Yeah, sometimes people hide their feelings too much.
I usually do.
Why?
I don't want to seem weak.
Talking about feelings is not weakness.
You sound like a motivational speaker now.
Thank you. My seminar starts tomorrow.
Stop.
Admission fee, 1 pizza.
That's expensive.
Emotional support is not free.
Fair enough. But seriously, I think many people are lonely these days because real conversations are becoming rare.
Yeah, people chat online all day but still feel disconnected.
Exactly. I already feel better now.
See, sometimes one conversation can change your mood.
I think I just needed someone to listen.
And I'm happy to listen.
Thanks.
Anytime.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you ever feel lonely too?
Yeah, sometimes.
Really?
Of course. There are days when I smile around everyone, then suddenly feel sad at night.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Most people hide it well.
So, what do you do when you feel lonely?
Sometimes I call a friend. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I go for a walk.
Does it help?
Usually. And sometimes I just remind myself that feelings don't stay forever.
That's actually comforting.
Good.
You know what? Tomorrow I'm going to text the basketball group again.
Yes, do it.
And maybe I'll go outside more instead of hiding in my apartment.
That's a great idea.
Maybe loneliness doesn't disappear instantly, but I can do something about it.
Exactly.
Thanks for talking with me tonight.
Always.
And one more thing.
What?
Cereal is still not soup.
It is soup.
Good night.
Good night. And hey,
Yeah?
you're not alone.
Thanks. Good night.